All right guys, it is raining here in LA. We are walking to our car right now. We're about to go teach. Literally the streets flood within 2 seconds. So we are gonna see how they are and we're gonna take you guys on a little journey. Okay, so it's super, super rainy. It's super flooded. This man, what are you doing, bro? Do you see these rapids here? It's up onto the sidewalk. Okay, this is super crazy. Miranda's gonna drive super safe. We're just gonna retire. We're gonna turn in our car and buy a canoe. Like, do you see these raging rapids here? In front of us. This is so crazy. Like, I feel like, I know it doesn't rain all the time. I know that it doesn't really rain in LA, but like, what? This is so crazy. Look how fast it's going. Do you see this right now? In front of the car, it's even worse. I don't want to get the camera wet. Do you know what the rain won't stop us from doing? Getting Starbucks. Alright, we're in the Raging Rapids. We're in the Raging Rapids. We're floating.
Hi, good morning. Any breakfast for you today?
No, thank you. Hi, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank
I love
you.
your little ears.
Thank you. They know what it is.
We'll come through. We'll see what we got.
That's all for us.
Alright, perfect. Come through.
Thank you.
Thank you.
They know our order. LOL. Alright, we're gonna pick this up and then be back. Alright.
Rolling stop there.
So we just want to say that the people at the Starbucks that we go to are the nicest people in the whole entire world. We love them so much. They literally
make us so happy.
Ah!
That was a sliding along.
That was us sliding. Oh my god. I love that. I wanted this. I wanted this.
I want to go swimming.
Look at you. You're blurred and I'm clear.
You're majestic.
Ah, I love this camera. So now it's downpouring. Like before it was just raining and now it's like a complete downpour.
Yeah,
it's kind of hard to see.
In like a sheet.
Yeah. It's out on the other side of the freeway. Woo! Yeah! Water park. You see it? That was so cool!
So, I just think that, I don't want to just do the wrong thing with this floor.
We just taught Piper for a private lesson, and the streets do not look bad at all. Well, actually, up here there's a little bit.
Almost. Look at you guys.
Crazy.
Yay! So rainy day in LA. It's supposed to rain all day again tomorrow, but we just wanted to show you guys a little raininess. Right now it's not bad at all, so it's just crazy how like we go through extremes here.
I know.
So we love you guys so much and we will talk to you soon.
Well, see ya.